Question for you, old Saturday night, Texas. Any bull riding fans on Saturday night? Well, as we step to the most dangerous game in the world, when you're swimming with sharks, you better have some pretty good lifeguards, and we got two of the best in the business. Ladies and gentlemen, from Sayre, Oklahoma, make welcome, if you would, Mr. Michael Phillips right now. Oh, and the other man warming up the rope, pulling the rope for this man. Mason Shelton, ladies and gentlemen, has done an outstanding job. Let's go to the bull riding on Saturday night. McCain Travel out of Perrin, Texas. On a bull that we call the White Shark.
Oh, the White Shark, huh?
This bull is Reins. He did get it on the other night. Hi, McCain. Well, it was not for the lack of drive of that young man come down just a little bit early. How about it, Wellington? Give him a big round of applause. It'll be consolation style. It'll be a hey, that little white bull can get it on.
That was going to be a lot of points. You know, we're talking about the 4th of July and independence and all of that. You know, I'm supposed to leave out tonight and go to Nashville this week.
Really?
Yes, sir. But I got a proposition for you people.
Okay.
Being we're close to July 4th, if you're one of these individuals in Wellington, Texas tonight, and every time we fly the American flag, if that offends you, I'll make you a deal. I'll stay an extra night. I'm going to come to your house. I'm going to help you pack your bags so you can move somewhere you want to be, all right?
Yeah, you bet.
Yeah.
Try it somewhere else and you'll find out just how great you got it.
We in it together at this point.
Here in Proctor, Dalhart, Texas, you got whoa right now. Jimmy, we've had a problem here in Wellington, Texas this weekend.
What do you mean a problem?
A bad problem.
What do you mean a bad problem?
We've bought, 12 head of bulls so far.
Yes, sir?
We have yet to ride a bull.
You know what?
What?
There was a cheerleader back here somewhere to tell the bulls things. Let me go see if I can find her. Maybe we can get some help.
Okay. That'll work. This is a bad cat right here, the red bull that we call Whoa. Talk about one that'll get it. Dalhart, Texas cowboy now. Wellington, we got to try to get one of these guys to whistle. There's a whole lot of money up for grabs. Laid down on us right as we was getting ready to go. Oh, this young bull playing mind games with it.
All right, you know what? What? Let's just pretend his mama's here.
His mama's here?
Maybe if he thinks his mama's here, he'll be nice.
How are you going to do that?
Where are you going?
Oh, no, Preston, he's back.
Where's he going?
He's back.
You're supposed to be out here.
Can't we just be friends? We are about ready to go. Let's do it. Oh, man.
Look at that.
Here, Proctor. Just about ready to go on Whoa. This bull will just give him one opportunity to get out of there. Thank you, bull fighters. Oh, did you see Mason? Did you see Michael right there?
Wow.
I mean, just daring that bull to take a step. Wow.
Those guys just saved that dude.
Yes, they did. I told you the rank, buddy. Now,
Man.
look.
Yes, sir?
You and Preston have got to make up. You and the bay horse have got to make up. I think you got to go up there and give him a big old kiss and let him know everything's fine.
Here, look.
Preston, you can rope him. You can rope him, Preston. I know you can do it.
Everybody say hi-ho silver on the count of 3. 1, 2,
You better get a deep
3.
seat. Preston, I thought you were going to rope him.
He's a cowboy, but he don't like cows. Did you see him riding away so?
No, I don't think he was riding away. I think old Bay was running away.
Here's the thing, if I wanted to, I could catch him. Do you know how fast I am? Look at this.
Oh, we can't hardly see you. Slow down. You look like a streak going across there.
You know what? Give us some music. Let's party this place.
Okay. Let's go. We got to get one road right now.
Let's go, 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 let's go.
Case of Morris, the man.
Do you want a picture here?
Nightlinger's the name of the bull.
Okay. All right. I just got up from the ground.
Yep.
I'm done picking on my mother-in-law. Now I know how she feels when she's tying her shoes. Whoa, hold on.
What?
What are we trying to do? Rob a grocery store? What kind of music is that?
Let's go, 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 let's go.
Well, we need to ride one. We need to ride one right now.
You know there's some rednecks here sitting there licking their lips going, look at that cow. Yep. See, kids, when you don't stay in school, this is what happens.
Oh, the Black Bull is not going to play the game.
Now say, whoa, get ready, bam-a-lam, whoa, get ready, bam-a-lam, whoa, get ready, bam-a-lam, get ready to ride. Whoa, get ready, bam-a-lam, whoa, get ready, bam-a-lam.
He is trying to slide up on the Nightlinger.
It's like a hard-boiled egg at Easter.
Case of Morris trying to ease up, trying to get on that bull.
Wow, that dude just picked the bull up to straighten him out.
Well, I don't think that's what happened to this bull. It's not.
Where's Grouchy at? There he is. Hey, Grouchy, you better smile or I'm coming up there and seeing you, big boy. Yeah, that dude ain't ever smiled that big in his life. Look at that.
I saw that.
Watch this. You really want to see him smile? Watch this. That dude jiggles like Santa Claus. This is good.
He just really wants you to come up.
I'm nervous as much as he's smiling. That's the problem. Last time I went, there was dogs over here. Last time I went in the stands, I had a dog chewing on my tail. Oh. This one's going to be good. Oh, I'm feeling this one. Oh, yeah. Okay.
Faye's going to have a heart attack before the last game.
I think I just leaked some milk.
Jack Robo, let's ride one right now. Let's get it.
Yes! Whoa!
Oh, man. Oh, Preston.
Wow.
If I was Bay, I'd never let you catch me again.
Oh.
Ever.
Look. Hey, I don't know, man. Grandpa's over here crying.
What's wrong, Grandpa?
What is wrong with you, sir? This is what America's come to. I don't know if you realize it. You know what? Give me some. This dude is literally in tears. This is what happens when you get off the farm more often. Give me some music for. Oh,
buddy.
this poor guy. I don't know if he feels sorry for him or if he's having a good time.
He is so wishing he wouldn't left his pocket knife at home right now.
Why'd you have to give him the idea? I'm just kidding, Gramps. Not to get spayed over here, or neutered, one of the two. I don't even know what I am. Do I have udders or not? I don't know why this seems like a good idea at the moment, but... Definitely no udders.
All right, Case and Burris.
Oh.
All right, Casey. We're going to try this great bull, the Nightlinger, one more time. Casey, I'd go as quick as I could in there. You're sitting on a bomb right now.
Come on, get your hands on. Oh, we're going to change the song, all right. Here we go.
All right, Casey. He's up there. He's got a short fuse. It's a big bomb. Let's go. Look out, boys. He's stunned a little bit.
He's up, he's up,
He's up. He ain't all there. But I want to ask you, Preston, Texas, how many of you think he made it? No. He is the only guy to ride a bull. As long as he scores 1 to 100, he's going to make it. Ladies and gentlemen, listen to this on Saturday night. How about 89 points? I don't know how many times.
Yeah.
I don't know how many times you've had to be 90 to win this rodeo, but 89 and a half on Saturday night is going to land that young man a whole lot of money. Wow. Well, ladies and gentlemen, did you enjoy the rodeo on Saturday night? Now, as we get ready to shut the lights off, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to celebrate our independence right here in Wellington, Texas tonight. As we always do. We will give them just a second. We're going to shut the lights down, and we are going to show you a great fireworks display tonight. Turn the lights off and let's shoot some fireworks. Right now. Here we go.
Come here, buddy. Come here. I was going to make a joke. Come here. I said it first. No, I'm bringing that now. I was going to say that.
ladies and gentlemen, as you leave out of here tonight, if you get a chance, say thank you to a veteran. Say thank you to somebody that has given you your freedom and allowed you to remain free. I hope you have a very blessed 4th of July weekend. God loves you, so do we. Good night, Texas.